Okay, we take from the other angle and I remove this one just to show you. Takes some time at 280 degrees, but it's better for the board, especially when there are leakage, and I can smell it here that there are some leakage, but not that hard. Yep, came off nice and clean. Clean the pads some. Old solder gun or isopropanol. A toothbrush. Usually I remove all the caps before doing this, but yeah, this is just a show. There's no idea to make a complete video of all the work been done. And take a new cap. Line it. Solder. Should take it and move the cap in place. Get to be used by hot stuff. And as I'm filming this, I of course forgot the flux. Bad me. So that's why I do one more. After a while you actually learn what cap is and what position. Quite strange. First off, quite nicely. You should always flux actually, yes. Especially when handling this thin threads, so that there are not that much flux in them. Quite narrow here. Oops, bumped the foam. Shaky. Quite okay.